how to register to ADP Employee. So if you want to register to ADP Employee account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can go for the search bar and search for ADP Employee login. You can either search for login or register, and it will take you to the register page by clicking on create account. So here you will have ADP website, right? You can go for the sign in, which will be on the upper right, and here you need to select an option and then click on next, and here it will take you to the sign in page, right? So under your sign in page, here on the bottom you will have get started. You can click on get started, which will take you to create your account page. So from here you can create your account. So to create your account, first you need to enter your registration code. So you need to have a registration code. Without your registration code, you can't create your account on your ADP. So you can go for find me, so that if you have a registered email address on ADP, then you can enter that email address. And once that's valid, you can go for the second step, which is identity info. And under the identity info, it will ask you to enter your name and then your employee name or everything. You need to enter your identity info. And once you've done that, you can go for the continue option. And then on the third option, it will ask you about your contact information, which is your email or your mobile number or anything like that. And after entering your information and all of that, you need to also enter your social security number. And once you enter your respective information, you need to click on create account and your account will be created. So the main and foremost thing that you need is the registration code. If you already have a registration code, then you can go for I have a registration code, and then you can enter your registration code. Or if you don't have it, then you can enter your email or your phone number and you can continue to registration. So that's it. That's how you register to your ADP employee account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.